Ayan, yan ang ingredients natin for tanghulo. May bananas, may grapes, may ano man tawag dito, orange. Na ito yung bowl. Nalagyan natin ng water and sugar. And of course the microwave to melt the sugar with. Yan. So, nakita namin itong tanghulo sa Boracay actually. Nagpunta kami doon on our way to watch the sunset. Napadaan kami doon sa tindahan. Tapos nakita namin to tanghulo. I don't remember the store name pero yan yung nakita namin. 200, so tinikman namin. It was okay. Ang sarap, tamis, matigas, crunchy. So we are going to try to recreate it. Yeah, try namin yung banana. So first, pour natin yung sugar dun sa measuring cup. This is 1 cup of sugar. Nilagay namin sa bowl. So instead of skewers pala, lalagay natin sa toothpick na lang yan. So yung sugar, lalagyan natin ng half a cup of water. Ayan. So lagyan natin sa microwave. Tingnan natin to for mga 3 minutes muna and see what happens. So ayan yung grapes, yung anong tawag dito? Ano yung tawag sa orange na yun? Mandarin orange yata, parang mandarin orange. So yun, yung sugar hindi pa nag-melt talaga. So try for another minute. Maraming tries to eh. Paulit-ulit lang.
A few moments later.
So kita mo hindi pa rin kumukulo pero nag-melt na yung sugar. So balik microwave for another minute or 2. 1 minute lang pala. Ayan, medyo sticky na siya pero hindi pa rin ganun na consistency. So trial and error lang ginawa namin. Ayan. Balik microwave, ganun lang. So, all in all siguro mga 12 minutes lahat yung time. So we prepared a bowl of water na may ice. Yan yung dyan na tinidip yung yung mga fruits, yung mga candied fruits na.
A few moments later.
Okay, we'll see again. Yan na. I think this is okay. Tinignan namin dun sa sugar. Medyo konti pala yung nagawa namin. Tsaka dapat siguro medyo mataas. Yan. After dipping it in sugar, ilipat natin dun sa bowl na may iced water. Yan lang. This is the sound test. Yung tumutunog nga. That means it's successful naman pero parang na-overcook yung sugar. Medyo naging brown siya eh. Tsaka crunchy siya. Sarap. Ayun. Narinig ko yun. Ito naman yung banana. Medyo pwede siguro. Ito kasi nakatapat yung fan dun sa kaya madali siyang nag-solidify.
Kapal pa ng coating,
Medyo mainit sa kusina namin kaya may fan kami. So ayan. Ito na. finished product. I think we got it right the first time. Yun lang, medyo hindi white yung sugar. Medyo nag-brown siya ng konti. It's okay. Masarap naman, malutong. And we like it. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.